Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So our today's topic is House Rent Prediction App. We have created this web application using Streamlit platform. So this model will predict the value of the rent for the house on the basis of some parameters. Like here, we will give some input values to these parameters like BHK, size, area type, area locality, city, furnishing status, tenant preferred, bathroom and point of contact. So let's enter some values. We need 2 BHK house. Size is 1000 square feet. Area type is super area. Area locality, random Lotus Park, indoor. Furnishing status, semi-furnished. We need a house for family. Owner. So let's click the predict button. Now you can see that it has given us output. So basically this output is generated on the basis of some data. So we have worked on the small data set, so we can't expect the accurate output. So if you want to get the accuracy, you need to work on larger data set. We have created this model on the basis of small data set. So if you want to get code for this project, you can click here on file section and you can see there are lots of files. This is a pickle file which we used to make this web application. This is requirements.txt file which contains all the libraries required, and this is the file where you will get the main source code for this web application. What is HiDevs? So before moving forward into the HiDevs community, I am happy to share with you all guys that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in their dream companies in the field of deep learning and generative AI along with data science. So now who are we? HiDevs is world's first open community which will help you in arriving straight to second round interview and cracking your dream company. So if you want to also get placed into your dream company, just join with us, join our network and get the free tools and resources to upskill and land your dream job. So what do you want? If you are confused that how to start in data science, if you want to improve your resume, if you want to update your LinkedIn profile, if you want to switch from non-tech to tech, or if you want to go into the new job or you are looking for the interview, you are not getting the interview calls, then we are here. HiDevs is for you. We will help you in learning the new technologies, solving the problems with the help of ChatGPT. We will be solving real world projects, and along with this we will be improving your resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, and you will also get the personalized mock interviews. So we are here to help you in cracking your dream job. Just join our community and be with us and upskill yourself for getting into the field of data science and generative AI. Thank you.